Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, one of Jamaica's top performing schools at the annual Boys and Girls Championships is being accused of physical abuse against a group of student athletes. TVJ Sports has received a complaint from a St. Elizabeth-based parent of Hydel High about a shocking incident which allegedly happened last year. Karen Madden has this TVJ Sports exclusive.
In the wake of a picture circulating on social media showing wounds on the upper thigh of a student athlete who has since lost her scholarship, TVJ Sports made contact with the mother of the child seen in the pictures. Her daughter alleged that she was beaten with a tennis racket by a staff member after an encounter with the dorm mother when she didn't get breakfast after returning from Saturday training at 2 p.m.
On my way out, I was arguing with myself, saying that if I was at my house, I would be having dinner now and not breakfast, so I don't want any breakfast.
She said another incident occurred when her two brothers who attend an all-boys school visited her but brought friends with them, and the matter was reported to a staff member.
I saw the other girls inside. Then he started to question us about what happened that Saturday. He held on to me, and while questioning the other girls, each time he asked a question, he hit me. After that, I was suspended from school for 5 days.
Her mother, Celia Jones, claimed the staff member told her he flogged her daughters, one for arguing with the dorm mother and the other for being present when boys from another school visited them.
I got call from Mr. Bennett, who is the head coach at Hydel, that my daughters was involved in some incidents at the school and that they were flogged.
The mother of 7 said she took her younger daughter, who had wounds, to 2 medical facilities in St. Elizabeth, but she was not treated because the doctors told her she should have filed a report with the police. But she said she did not report the matter to the police as her children were still attending the St. Catherine-based school and they were afraid.
When I saw our hip and the condition that she was in, then I took her to the health center at Magati to get some medical attention because the condition, it was not pretty. And then when I got there, the doctor told me that he could not attend to her because that's a police matter and that I should report it.
On Friday, January 3, when TVJ Sports made contact with the principal of the Hydel group of schools, Hyacinth Bennett, she hung up during efforts to arrange an opportunity for the school to give its version of the events. Calls and text messages to Hydel's head coach, Corey Bennett, the son of the principal, also went unanswered. However, TVJ Sports received a telephone call from attorney at law Vincent Wellesley informing us that he has been retained by Hydel High and that he has advised his clients not to grant any interviews. On Monday, we tried to reach Wellesley and he told us on 2 occasions to call him back. All subsequent efforts to reach him were unsuccessful. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.